This is a short video for crypto because I remember I didn't do one for crypto. So, if you notice, this was a bullish area that Bitcoin was on. It was saying, even including me, we're still bullish, even though we were having all these drops and all these buybacks that we kept on having. Something I just noticed recently. So, recently this month, we had that fall, right? And so far, we ended up recovering all this. Something I want you to pay attention to now is the weekly, because you want to see where the weekly Fibonacci is at. Right here. So if you notice, this week, even though we dumped, we went to that 50, which on the 50 you want to bounce. The fact that we bounced, got back up, back at the 50, and the daily is looking like this. This is bullish. So Bitcoin, because it's linked to the market, either Bitcoin's gonna do its own thing, and as we get closer to 5:30 and the market reacts stupidly bad, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin would then follow, get stuck in this area right here, and then go back down, leave a wick right here, go back down, and start breaking down right here, and complete this fall right here. If we had that good news, which I wouldn't be surprised I wouldn't be surprised for the market to use that as it's all it's doing is like a it's like when you're pushing somebody in the swings and you give it that push to continue on with the bullshit. That's how it's doing. Like it's just like a little push on up. Like, hey, you guys, look, we're doing great. Numbers are up. Numbers are up, pretty much. Numbers are up. Everybody's doing good. Unemployment this, whatnot, just to distract you real quick, because then Bitcoin's really gonna have the main area having up here, whatnot. So I wonder if we do fall, and it also depends. Because if we do fall crazy, but Bitcoin sustains in a way that let me know that the market is then gonna recover within maybe next week or so, and then you, as it goes up, then you see Bitcoin continue going up. But if the market goes on down and Bitcoin follows and it breaks, and we go down to the 50, then that's gonna be a red flag, because then from there these next couple of days, especially if we close here on a Friday on a Thursday, and then Friday we're pretty much right there. So it's gonna be testing it and either breaking it throughout the week or having that bounce up a little bit. That's really gonna be really interesting if we close here on Thursday. For sure. For sure. Um trend line wise, we have a trend line wise. Let me see. We have a trend coming up here. That's a monthly. Alright. Yes, sir. That'll be a crazy drop. That'll be a crazy drop if that does happen. Because Bitcoin here recently needs to really have a big back news to make it drop to this trend line. Alright. And then other trend lines, let me see. If you don't like this, then we got this trend right here. See the outlines? Yes, sir. See how that aligns? Yes, sir. Alright. And we recently broke it, and the fact that we're right there, yeah, all this makes sense. The market's trying to go above on this trend right here, or the market's gonna confirm it that we broke it and go down to the 50 weekly. That's a 50 weekly right there. So a 4 candle right there. So if it comes back down, it's gonna stop here, test this, and then break it, continue going on down. And then if we break again, this is gonna be in the next area right here. Here's a trend line. I'll be good, yo. I'll be glad as fuck. I'll be happy as fuck if Bitcoin went down to these prices. Fuck yeah, I would. Alright. That's it for that, you guys. Wait, something I wanna check real quick. For sure. Just make sure they're positioned where they need to go. For sure. There's 2 of them, so I'm going to delete them. This is the daily, right there, 12, right there, 8, same area as 12, 4 should be up here, and it's not, so I'm going to delete it. 4 is down here. Oh, it's right there. 4. Four, 3. What the hell is doing over there? Sure. didn't. And then for Bitcoin, we closed so far candle at 10. We closed the next one at 1 and then at 5. Seeing how it's barely 10, where it's at right now, there's your entry right here, and what it's telling you is to go for a sell. Now it makes sense right here, because what I see it's going to do is 11. So by 11:45, 12:30, we want to be up in this area right here. We're gonna have some resistance passing this weekly resistance right here. We're gonna see 1, either 2 o'clock, and then finally at 3, 5, close up here. Or I'll be surprised if it was up by up here. But seeing how we dealt with resistance, most likely gonna struggle and close here at 5. At 5 or by 1. But yeah, if not, if we start dropping on down 11:30, 11:45, we're gonna come down here and either bounce back up, or we're gonna get trapped here and end up breaking this 50 on the 1 hour candle right here. Oh, we're pretty much gonna go back up type of shit. We're gonna create support here and then go back up and try one more time. So that's all for Bitcoin, you guys, in the crypto market. This is Brian Seacrest signing out.